seatbelts fastened for your safety until we've arrived at the gate. The captain's turned off the seatbelt sign. After the seatbelt sign is turned off, check to make sure you have all your personal items with you. Take care when opening overhead bins as your personal items may have shifted during our flight. Keep the aisle clear of all personal belongings until we have arrived at the gate. You can use your cellular phones at this time. Other electronic devices must remain off until we are at the gate. We'll be deplaning by jet bridge, so it should